All right, number 13, find the odds for and the odds against the event rolling a fair die and getting a 1, a 4, or a 3. So remember, odds are a little bit different than probability. So the probability, for probability, we would say, well, there's 6 total possible outcomes, and we're going to divide that by the 3 different ways that we can win here, that we can get a 1, a 4, or a 3. So that would be the probability. Odds are a little different. With odds, we say what are the total number of ways that we can win? So that would be 3. To the total number of ways that we can lose. And so the total number of ways we can lose is 3. We could get a 2 or a 5 or a 6. And so our odds are going to be 1 to 1. And that's going to be the odds for getting something and the odds against. So the odds for the event are 1 to 1. The odds against the event also 1 to 1.